Okay, problem 10. A rectangle has its base on the x-axis and its upper two vertices on the parabola. So let's draw the parabola. It is 12 minus x squared, right? So when x is 0, y is 12. So when y is 0, x is negative 2 square root of 3 or positive 2 square root of 3, okay? So this is a parabola. Right, so you want to draw a rectangle inside this region, right? So you can draw it like this, you can draw it like this, you can draw it like this. So basically you can draw all different types of rectangles. So the question is which rectangle gives you the maximum value, right? Gives you the maximum area. Okay, so let's assume this point. This is my upper right point, right? This is my upper right vertex. So the index of this vertex is going to be 12 minus x squared. Okay, because it is in the parabola. The parabola is y is 12 minus x squared. Okay, so let's say this is a coordinate of my upper right vertex. Okay, then let me draw the rectangle. Okay, so what is the area of the rectangle? The area of the rectangle, it's going to be, so because this length is x, right? We know x is a positive value. So this length must also be x. Okay, so the area is 2x times, then what is the height? The height is 12 minus x squared. Okay, that's the area of the rectangle. So what is the range of x, you may ask? The range of x, because this is the upper right vertex, so it is from here to here. Okay, it can never be smaller than 0. It can never be greater or equal to 2. It can never be greater than 2 square root of 3. Okay, so x is between 0 and 2 square root of 3. Okay, then it's negative 2x cubed plus 24x. Right, so it's just what is a global maximum, right? You just have to use a closed interval method. So first, what are the endpoints? So endpoints are x is 0 or x is 2 square root of 3. Okay. Then what are what's the derivative? Derivative is negative 6x squared plus 24. Right, so what is a stationary point? Stationary points are points when the derivative is 0, right? So when the derivative is 0, we can solve it. It's just when x squared is 4, right? So when x is positive or negative 2. So because you know x must be positive, so x is 2. That's the only stationary point. Right? What about singular point? Singular points are when the derivative is undefined. Okay, so will this derivative ever be undefined? Probably not, because it's a polynomial, right? The polynomial is always defined, so there's no singular point. Okay, so there's no singular point. Then all you need to do is just calculate their value. What is f0? Do the substitution, it's just 0. What is f2 square root of 3? It's just 0. Okay, then what is f2? Just do the substitution. It is, okay, just after the substitution, it is 32. Okay, and obviously this is the maximum value. Okay, among these three values, this is the maximum value. So the global maximum when x is equal to 2, right, ax is a global maximum.